GoHighLevel versus Clickfunnels 2.0 Funnel Builder Edition. This is one of my favorites. My name is Pamela Dale, your GoHighLevel gal, and I'm going to break down both funnel editors for you, the new Clickfunnels 2.0, and let's take a look at high levels first out of the gate. Okay, inside the editor, we're going to go to Sites. And I want to point out that in high level, there are unlimited funnels and unlimited pages, etc. So let's go ahead and build a new funnel. It's very easy to do. I can go to my template library, and there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of templates to choose from. I can break it down based on some tags, based on the category, or based on what type I would like as well. So we'll just grab something really quickly, go ahead and select it. Very easy to do, and it tells me there's no prerequisites for this. I can continue, and maybe I want to get this tailored. It's going to take me right over the marketplace to do so, but today I'm going to go ahead and do this one myself. Okay, our funnel has popped in. It's called Fit Brand. We can see that I've got stats, sales, my settings, and here's where I'm able to make those changes, add in tracking code, add my favicon, and a domain. So if we take a look inside the funnel builder for the homepage, we've also got here products and publishing, so we can make these changes. Looks very similar, doesn't it, to the Clickfunnels 1.0. Let's jump into the editor and have a look. Very similar to 1.0. If you've ever been in the 1.0, you can see very easily that we've got settings here where I can go ahead and add in custom CSS, etc. I've got a pop-up, and I've got sections, rows, columns, elements. I can see other versions, so I can restore, and I've also got that lovely backup button, undo, and I can preview and save, and I can also see on this side a drop down of all of the other pieces of pages, steps in this funnel. Here we go here. So first thing is, let's just go ahead and add in a new section, and let's take a look at what's possible. So we've got the layouts that I have, and I've also got global layouts. So if I've got a footer I want to use all the way across, I can. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a row, and this is going to be a 2-column row, and then we're going to add in an element. Oh, what's the purple? Great question. This is one of the things that I love about high level, is that it highlights the columns, and the columns have their own settings, so that I'm able to have a lot more customization and also design that I'm really excited about having that possibility. The other thing that is new is what's called a custom class. I'm able to add in a dot, and then I could put font, and then what I could do, then what I can do is in my CSS, I could have something that said, like that says dot full section. This one would say dot font, and then I could go ahead and start adding in some code. So very, very exciting there. And then when we go ahead and start adding elements, here's where I wanted to break these down for you. Again, looks very similar. We've got the text, the form, the blog one, which is really powerful, so I can add it into any funnel or website. This one is exciting to me, which is video, because this one is hosted video. So I'm able to pull in a hosted video, and I'm able to choose some possibilities here. And this here has been rectified. I believe that autoplay for the pause muted we've also taken that off. So you can see here some really cool stuff. And then if somebody by chance gets to this video, I can tell them to go back and please make sure that you fill out the form first. So that's a little bit different than what I see inside of ClickFunnels. And then if we continue down, we've got some customization ones where we can add in calendars, forms, etc. code. This one is very sexy. I'm able to open up an SVG, and I can customize this for myself without having to go and be really good at anything like Illustrator, right? So very powerful if you have someone use SVGs instead of icons, etc. We've got countdown. We've got different types of blocks, progress, image, divider, navigation, and we've got some order elements here as well. So we can add in 1-step, 2-step, and an order confirmation. These are available no matter what kind of page type that we're on. So very, very powerful. I really like the ability to add in the elements, and the way that I'm able to lay it out is very different. Let's take a look over at ClickFunnels at what elements are available. So we're going to come here to Sites and Funnels, and we're going to click on Pages. Let's jump into one of our pages. And here looks very similar as well. I'm going to do a full page, and then I'm going to add in a one column. And here are my elements. We can see that we've got some general ones here. We do have video, but this video, when I open up the settings for it, I don't have hosted yet. So that's something to think through, because it does allow you to get rid of Vimeo, etc., Vidalytics, a lot of different pieces. We've got a video pop-up, which we don't have. We've got audio, which GoHighLevel does not have. And we've got the rest of these. Link URL, that would be just a button we could replace. And then we've got the summary, the confirmation, and the checkout. These are those 3 steps. We do have blog. So we've got a couple of pieces here, really cool. We do have some blog categories. This is coming in GoHighLevel, but for now, this is very powerful. And then they've got the downloadable links. And these collections are very powerful. Whoops. They've got courses pieces that you can add in, course modules, etc. Now, could I add this on a regular page? I'm not 100% sure. And could I add products? I have not dug in that deeply. What I do love about the ClickFunnels editor is that they've got these universal sections. So I'm able to edit them, but they've also got, if I'm right, I can scroll down and I can add in, I've seen them in other places, so I'm not sure if I'm just in the wrong place, but I could add in, let me see if I add in a section. Maybe that's where they are. Yes, where I could add in these ones that are already pre-made. So I really like this a lot. I think this is brilliant. It makes it funnel building just a little bit easier, right? So for me, I really love that new feature. And if I come in and I add in a headline, when I click on this headline and I go to the settings, I believe, yes, here it is. I can edit the style. Now, this is maybe what they're calling a brand kit. I'm not 100% sure, but this is coming to GoHighLevel as well for Q1. But what I love about it is I'm able to choose what font do I want for all of my headings, what sizes, etc. And then what do I want for this one? What do I want for this one, right? And I can do the same thing if I come out of here. I can do the same thing when I come in and I want to add in a button. So I could have all my button styles. So let's just search button. So I can also click on this and I've got my style guide here and I can come in. I love this. This is sexy. This, I think, ClickFunnels 2.0 is going somewhere. And I think this is where ClickFunnels puts a little bit of lipstick on things versus the functionality in the back end versus the way that GoHighLevel does it. Because GoHighLevel is very much developer, software developer. So they're going to make sure that everything works and makes sense. And they're continuously adding in new pieces, new elements. Instagram is another one that's coming. FAQ, accordions, video backgrounds, lots of stuff is coming in Q4, Q1. But this brand guide is very powerful. So as a funnel builder, it's got some possibilities, right? And it is very sexy. However, I still like the functionality and all of the elements that are in GoHighLevel. What are your thoughts around the funnel builder? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like the 2.0? Do you like the functionality of GoHighLevel? Let's talk soon.